Hi everyone, welcome on this channel. Today we are going to visit Bird Valley together with Bubi. So as soon as we got there we decided to do the boat trip, and here it is, Brajesh enjoying his best life with the boat. After boat, we decided to take a walk because you can walk all around Bird Valley and you can enjoy the lake from different view. So I really recommend you to go for a walk, and it's pretty fast actually. It will take 30 minutes, and we stopped a lot for photographs and videos. This was the crowd of people waiting in line for purchasing a ticket for the light show, but fortunately one person was so kind to gift us a ticket, so we skipped the line and we enjoyed light show. At the end we were feeling a little bit hungry, we decided to eat pani puri. Thank you for watching, see you on the next video.